Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, District. Student, look, today our topic is exercise 9.2 part 3. Lecture norm 16, HW norm 14. At first, I will solve question number 23. Solve sin theta plus cos theta equal to 1. Now see the condition: 0 degree less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 90 degree. That means value of theta may be 0 degree or 90 degree also. Okay. Now we will solve now. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to 1. Taking square root on the both sides, sin theta plus cos theta equal to 1, right? Taking square on both sides. Taking square on the both sides. Now we know the formula of a plus b whole square. Now apply that formula in here. Look, a, that means here sin theta whole square, then 2 into sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta whole square, and square of 1 is equal to 1 into 1, that means 1, right here 1, or sin square theta cos theta, that means we can write cos square theta to sin theta cos theta, this equal to, you see here this is 1, right here 1, or sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We already discussed this formula in exercise 9.1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Right here 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 1, and this will be minus 1. Right here as sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, student? We know this formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So I have put here sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now this is positive 1 or plus 1, and this is minus 1. So we can vanish this plus 1 and this minus 1. Then we get 2 sin theta cos theta. This is equal to what? 0. Look, times 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta with cos theta, they are closely relation with multiplication. Okay. If we divide both sides by 2, then we get sin theta into cos theta. If we divide 0 by 2, then we get what? 0. Now write either sin theta equal to 0 or neither cos theta equal to 0, or sin theta, we know sin of 0 degree equal to 0. The value of sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Okay. Now you see sine and sine, we can vanish them, then we get theta equal to 0 degree. Similarly, cos theta, we know cos 90 degree is equal to 0 degree. Okay, therefore cos and cos vanish, then we get theta equal to 90 degree. Now write the solution. Theta equal to 0 degree or theta equal to 90 degree. Both the two angles are here valid because our condition is the angle should be 0 less than or equal to theta or less than or equal to 90 degree. Okay, so according to the condition, theta equal to 0 degree or theta equal to 90 degree, both are valid. Okay, now I will solve question number 24. Question number 24. Solve cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 2 minus 5 cos theta when theta is an acute angle. Okay, look, here is the condition, theta is an acute angle. We know acute angles means 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 90 degree. Okay, that means the angle must be greater than of 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Okay, for acute angle, what is the condition? The angle should be greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Okay, this is the condition for acute angle. Now write here solution. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, this equal to 2 minus 5 cos theta. Look, this is cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 2 minus 5 cos theta. You see, this is cos theta and this is also cos square theta, but sin square theta, this is different. So we may convert sin square theta to cos square theta. Okay, look, cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta, 2 minus 5 cos theta. Look, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, look, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so I have written here, instead of sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta equal 2 minus 5 cos theta minus 5 cos theta. Okay, or cos square theta minus 1 minus with minus plus cos square theta, convert plus 2, then this will be minus 2 minus 5 cos theta, then this will be 5 cos theta. This is equal to what? 0. Cos square theta minus 1 minus with minus plus cos square theta plus, then when it will be transferred in the right side, then we will get minus 2. Similarly, minus 5 cos theta, it will be plus 5 cos theta, and the right side will be 0. Or this can be written as cos square theta plus cos square theta, this is equal to 2 cos square theta. Now 5 cos theta minus 1 and minus 2, this is equal to what? Minus 3. Now we will have to use the middle breakup method. 2 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Student, when you see this math, you may confuse. Look, this is not so much difficult. You know the middle breakup method is 2x square plus 5x then 3. 2x square plus 5x minus 3. I hope you can easily use the middle breakup method, okay, and you can solve it into a factorization form. So similarly, we have to make this expression as a middle breakup method, okay. Look, or 2 cos square theta then 6 cos of theta minus cos of theta minus 3 is equal to 0, or 2 cos square theta and 6 cos theta. Here 2 cos theta is the common, then we get cos theta then 3 minus, that is minus 1 common, that means 1 cos theta minus with minus, that means plus, this is equal to 0, or 2 cos of theta minus 1 or cos of theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Right, either 2 cos of theta minus 1 equal to 0, neither cos of theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Right here, or 2 cos theta equal to 1 or cos theta equal to 1 by 2, or we know cos of 60 degree equal to 1 by 2, okay. Cos of 60 degree equal to 1 by 2, then cos and cos vanish, then you get theta equal to 60 degree. Now look, or cos of theta, and this will be minus 1. Student, we know the maximum value of cos theta is minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta or equal to minus 1, okay. This is the maximum value for cos theta, minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. That means this is the maximum value for cos theta. But you see here, this is minus 3, okay. So minus cos of theta equal to minus 3, this is not valid, okay. Now write, which is not valid because maximum value for cos theta is minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1, okay. In short form, you can write minus 1 to 1, okay, like this way. So we can say cos of theta equal to minus 3, this is not acceptable, or that means which is not valid. Therefore, according to the condition, the theta must be an acute angle. You see, theta is equal to 60 degree, which is an acute angle. Therefore, write solution theta equal to 60 degree, and this is our required solution. Student, I hope you understood this math clearly, but there is only one you face problem in here. I hope this line 2 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus cos theta minus 3, okay. You consider like this is a simple equation, 2x square plus 5x minus 3, okay, and then this will be easier for you, okay. I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number 26, okay student. Question number 26, you read, solve tan square theta minus pass bracket close 1 plus root 3 tan theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now write solution solution tan square theta minus 1 plus root 3 tan theta plus root 3 is equal to 0, or simplify tan square theta minus tan theta minus with plus, that means minus root 3 tan theta plus root 3 is equal to 0, or here tan square theta and tan theta is a common, then tan theta minus 1, here root 3 is the common, then you get tan theta minus with plus, that means minus 1. Look here, root 3 and root 3, then root 3 is the common, then here remaining tan theta and minus plus minus. Minus plus is equal to what? Minus. That means this is minus 1. Now see, tan theta minus 1 and tan theta minus 1 is the common, and tan theta plus minus root 3 is the remaining. Therefore we can write tan theta minus 1 or tan theta minus root 3 is equal to 0. Look, tan theta minus 1 common, tan theta minus root 3, tan theta minus root 3. Now write either tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0 or tan theta equal to 1, or tan theta, we know tan 45 degree equal to 1, therefore theta equal to 45 degree. Neither tan of minus theta is equal to root 3. Tan of minus theta minus root 3 is equal to 0, or tan theta equal to root 3, or tan theta equal to tan 60 degree. Okay, tan and tan vanish, then we get theta equal to 60 degree. Okay student, in the question there is no condition. Okay, therefore the solution theta is equal to 45 degree or 60 degree. Okay, this is our required solution. Okay student, now I talk with you about HW topic. Look, HW topic, exercise 9.2. Exercise 9.2, question number 25 and 27, and the page number of your book is 211 to 212. Okay, that means in 211 25 number, and in 212 question number 27 is lives. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home, and remember student, you have to write the formula. You have to more and more times, otherwise this solution will be so much difficult for you. Okay, so you have to memorize the formula, then try to solve this type of problem. Okay student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.